back here so I can hit you back!
I can't see the subject. I don't know where they were. I have visual on the subject's car.
You had your chance.
Got a driver on the run. Let's get him.
Okay, y'all, we have an officer in need of some jawbreakers dealing with a lawbreaker. Get moving, everyone.
I knew the others weren't as good as me, but come on. Can you send some real support? Sweet! I found the subject. We can't continue pursuit. All our patrol cars are wrecked.
Check everywhere.
Pull over, pay the fine, and we can all get on with our night. You can't hide from me.
Just laid eyes on our target again. The drivers managed to break. I've got eyes on the subject. If there are any units standing around, get them over here ASAP.
Backup's on its way.
This fool just doesn't know when to give up. Damn, I lost visual on the car.
Get out there and find...
Subject spotted. Shit, I lost sight of the suspect.
Suspect was last seen in...
Hey, they're right here. I've lost visual on the subject vehicle.
Fine, don't pull over.
Going after some wheels. Let's hope they got some cash on them.
Just got a report of a chase in your area. Feel free to join in on the fun.
I will pound this one into submission if I have to. Feast your eyes on taxpayer dollars at work. Now let's use it. some 21st century gladiator shit.
Send some backup. We need to maintain a strong presence on the streets.
Supercharged reinforcements headed your way.
Gonna try to execute a pit maneuver. I keep hitting them, but they're still going. I survived all the impacts, but my car, not so much.
Okay, got it.
What's it gonna take to knock this one out? Yeah, my car just got knocked out.
Get your brims out and sweep it.
I can't see. I've got eyes on those wheels again.
Give up while you still can.
I found our target again.
I'm taking them out however I can.
I ain't saying we're losing, just that we're on the back foot, so send backup.
Good luck. I've sent some units out to back you up.
I gotta disable this son of a bitch somehow.
Stingers are being set up ahead. Here's hoping it works.
This patrol car's too broken to continue pursuit.
That driver's got to be nearby. Get looking.
Can't outrun me, asshole.
Hey, Control, send in tow. The driver took out my car. I lost it.
Better hope I don't catch you. Control. Suspect has violated multiple traffic laws. I'm on him.
Wake up. We've got one of our guys in a pursuit. laying out spikes down the road, so be careful.
710, in position to support. Requesting some eyes in the sky, Control.
You want eyes in the sky? You got 'em.
This thing's gonna scare the shit out of them when they see it in their rear view.
This is Air 1, we're over the subject.
Just gonna soften them up a bit.
I'm out of the chase. My vehicle looks like it was hit by a train.
I'm taking them out however I can.
Is that all you got?
SWAT truck's gonna try and smash the subject.
Hard contact.
Saved you the trouble of setting up the spike strip yourself. Y'all can thank me later.
My car's way too smashed up to keep chasing the suspect.
Got it. Copy.
710, in position to support. Going for full frontal contact.
Our armor just trampled that sucker.
Closing in for a hit.
I don't care what or who you send at this point, as long as they can do their damn job.
You need some support? Guess what? You're getting it.
Let me return the favor.
We've arrived at the pursuit control.
I gotta disable this son of a bitch somehow.
Bounced off their side panels with that hit. Rhino landed the hit. I repeat, Rhino unit hit the suspect.
Let me know if you guys hear a couple tires go pop down the road.
Okay, copy.
Hey, Control. My POS vehicle's been KIA.
This is 710, preparing maneuver.
This is Air 1, we're coming up to the TFR zone. We're disengaging.
Falling back. So much for this being a high-speed pursuit vehicle. Shit like this gets my blood pumping.
I'm here to finish the work you can't.
I hit him square on.
Heads up, y'all. Rhino incoming.
Do your damn job, Control, and send some extra units.
You wanted reinforcements? You got 'em.
I'm gonna pummel this loser. Lost sight of the car. Gotta be around here.
Now,
Pursuit underway. Don't leave me hanging.
All right, everyone, the hunt is on. Go get 'em.
We gotta up the aggro if we want to stop this asshole. There's a reason they gave me the faster car. I gotta stay on the offensive here.
There are gonna be spikes in the road up ahead. Keep an eye out for them.
Got it. Copy. The car's gonna be a smoking wreck when I'm through with him. Gonna need to tap out of this chase. Getting this car fixed is not my problem.
Make crew are setting up some barricades for the subject in the city.
Copy. 710, ready to stop their progress. Damn it, I got no visual on him anymore. That's what happens when you mess with us.
You had your chance. Sirens on, engaging pursuit.
Got a driver there that needs taken down. I want everyone to join in.
Suspect located.
Basic, you got nothing against me. Why keep trying?
Hey, how about sending us some aerial support?
I've sent out the chopper to support you on this one.
Get ready to watch the master at work.
Y'all didn't ask for him, but we're delivering some spikes in the road ahead.
710, ready to take them out. This car's taking such a beating, we may be better off just replacing it.
All right.
Their next stop is the local junkyard. Lining up to ram the subject. Made a good connection on that last hit. This driver took all of us out. There's nobody left to keep chasing him.
I've got you now. Got a visual on the suspect. Suspect's no longer in sight control.
I got a good view of the driver.
Any chance we can get an astronaut launch to cover the skies?
Gonna hear those rotors overhead soon.
The driver's managed to break line of sight.
Keep your eyes open. Suspect is still out there.
Can't shake me.
Ah, I see him again.
We're in position.
Do me a solid and send the chopper here ASAP, Control.
Chopper is joining, so stand by. Heads up. Barricades are coming up.
My car just got wrecked. Can't even open my damn door.
Get out there and find that damn car.
Got no chance of escaping.
I can confirm visual of the car and driver.
Keep an eye out for the SRT van. It's clobbering time.
Need a helicopter dispatched to my position.
The helicopter is on its way now, so hang tight.
Suspect managed to outpace my car. I'm falling behind. I'm here to do the work you can't finish.
Air 1, we're above the pursuit.
one out. My vehicle is wrecked. Gonna need a tow truck. I keep hitting them, but they're still going.
710, ready to make contact. Going for hard contact. Solid impact from the Rhino.
Their car's gonna be a smoking wreck when I'm through with them. They drove off before we can shut them down. Can't continue with pursuit. My riders move on.
Copy.
This fool just doesn't know when to give up. We successfully sideswiped them, Control.
We're laying out spikes down the road, so be careful.
Copy.
I've lost visual on the subject vehicle.
Suspect was last seen in the area. Start searching.